ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। यथा राधा प्रिय विष्णु तस्या कुंडं प्रियं तथा सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा। तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि नाजीवामि त्वया विना। इति विज्ञानय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम्। राधा कुंडेर मधुरिमा जय चे राधार मधुरिमा। राधा कुंडेर माधुरी जय चे राधार माधुरी। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते। कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरत्विषे नमः। नित्यानन्दमहं नौमि सर्वानन्दकरं परम्। हरिनामप्रदं देवम् अवधूत शिरोमणिम्। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूप स्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकम्। नित्यानंद मंत्रः शक्तिः गौरांग गौरगोपालः। हरे कृष्ण महामंत्रे सर्वजीव उद्धारकः। वाञ्छाकल्प तरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नित्यानंदो नित्यानंद 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 गौरांग 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 गौ। श्री हरिनाम चिंतामणि की जय। श्रील नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। श्री भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। हरिनाम चिंतामणि द्वादश परिच्छेद नामा अपराध प्रमाद। We will continue from last time we were discussing pramad, the offense of inattentiveness while chanting. So what are the three kinds of pramad we discussed last time? Audasinya, Jadya and Vikshep. And how to come out of that. So we discuss, we will continue there. यत्न भावे साधकेरो चित्त स्थिर होए ना. Even if we endeavor, but still our mind does not become attentive while chanting. What is the reason for this? In fact, devotees, they say that my mind is quite stable throughout the day, but when I sit for chanting, it becomes very disturbed. What is the nature? What is the reason? निसर्गेत लोक सब विषये आसक्त स्मृति काले विषये अंतरे अनुरक्त. The most basic reason for this is that by nature the common people are completely immersed in materialistic thoughts throughout the day. Nisarg means naturally, that is a natural tendency to always think of base thoughts, lower thoughts, because we are fallen. That is why when we sit for Nam Smaran, when we sit for Nam, during our remembrance, all the sense objects which are there in our heart, they come out. We become immersed in those thoughts of sense desires. In fact, while chanting, we don't even know what we are thinking, where we are going. We get immersed in those thoughts. रुचि जाय अन्य स्थाने नामे उदासीन नामे चित्ते लग्न नहे जपे प्रतिदिन. While chanting, we become udasin. Udasin means apathetic. We feel apathy towards chanting. And we don't have any taste. In fact, while chanting, our taste is elsewhere. रुचि जाए अन्य स्थाने. मुखे नाम किंतु मने काम.
मोने 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 काया मोने
हरि नाम अक्षर बहिरा किंतु नाम न पा.
नाम ना पाए.
Prabhupada used to quote this from Harinam Chintamani, that mukha, the naam syllables are coming from the mouth, but that is not the naam. Because inside all desires, material desires are wandering, roaming around the mind. There is no taste. The taste is at a different place. The taste is for something different. Very unfortunate. Even Mahaprabhu says this. Nam namakari bahuda nij sarva shakti tatra arpita niyamita smarani naka etadrishi tava kripa Bhagavan mamapi durdaiva medrishu yaha janina muraya. The Naam has so much power that when we chant the Naam, we can actually find ourselves in the Leela. The barrier between the material world and the spiritual world breaks down when we chant Naam. At one moment you are in the material world, at the other moment you are in the Leela. That is the power of Naam, if it is chanted properly. Without pramad.
Nam nam nam.
ईशात विकसी पुनः देखाय निज रूप गुण चित्त हरि लय कृष्ण पा. Instantly the Naam brings you close to Krishna. Chitta hori laya Krishna pass. Lord Ananta Shesha is glorifying Naam with his millions of mouths, but still Nikhila Shruti, Ratnamala, Dyuti Viraj, Rupa Goswami writes in the Namashtakam that they are not even able to touch the Upanishads, the effulgence from the toenails of Naam. No scripture is able to glorify Naam completely. But see our misfortune that when we chant the Naam, we are somewhere else. It is verily an insult to Krishna actually. Big insult. It's like slapping Krishna, big aparad. When Krishna is present on our tongue, नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे
কৃষ্ণ নাচে
नाम नाचे कृष्ण नाचे
নাম নাচে কৃষ্ণ নাচে
नाचे प्रेम धन
নাচে প্রেম
नाचे प्रेम धन
নাচে প্রেম
We are very close to Prem when we chant the name, but still
নাচে নাচে প্রেম
we neglect the name. Tatra arpita.
নাচে নাম
Even Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu is lamenting that why I have not developed anurag. Jape pratidin. Haridas Thakur says that the devotee will chant the name every day. But name chitta nohe. The mind is not fixed. And as long as we are committing the 10 offenses, we will not realize the Naam. We will not get Prem. So contrary to those people who say that Pramad is the 11th offense is the name, according to Harinam Chintamani, it is the 7th offense. Inattentiveness due to chanting is not beyond the 10 offenses. It is one of the 10th offense. One of the 10 offenses. Because that is why we are not getting love. চিত্ত এক দিনো এক দিকে আর অন্য দিকে নাম তাহার মঙ্গল কিসে হয় গুণধাম তাহার মঙ্গল কিসে হয় গুণধাম ও মহাপ্রভু ও গুণধাম হাউ ক্যান those conditioned souls attain anything auspicious when their mind is somewhere else and when they chant the name. Chitto eko dike, naam ar dike.
রতি নাই হবে মন করো এক।
Laksha naam haile purna. संख्या माला गौणी हृदय नहिल रस बिंदु गुणमणि Imagine those who chant lakh naam 64 rounds by counting in their sankhya mala. Even they don't have rasa bindu. They don't have a drop of taste for the holy name. If they are inattentive, they may complete 6 hours, 8 hours daily. But if their mind, out of those 8 hours, how much time the mind is in the name? That is important. So here the direct reference is about quality of chanting, not only quantity. Haridas Thakur is saying the quality. এই তো অনবধান দোয়ের প্রকার বিষয় হৃদয়ে কভু বড় দুর্নিবার This is the anavadhan, this is the reason, the obstacle, the faults in our chanting, because of our heart is full of material desires. So we cannot stop that flow of material desires when we sit to chant. That flow continues. That is why it is advisable that throughout the day we should always be in thoughts of Krishna, so that when we sit for chanting it will become easier. Prabhupada gave this program Mangal Aarti, and this is because from morning and evening when we are immersed our mind in Kirtan, then it becomes very easy to do japa. Sankirtan is the rope to bind Krishna, and japa is the thread. According to Sanatana Goswami in Brihad Bhagavatam. Sada sangatupekshaya nama sankirtanam pra Vishuddham bhakti maja. Vishuddha bhakti is nama sankirtan, where we can always stay in contact with Krishna, always in the form of Naam, either by Sankirtan or by Japa. And what is the method to remove this anavadhan, this obstacle? Yatna karivar vidhi sadhu sange swalpakal ছাড়িয়া বিষয় নির্জনে লইয়া নাম এই দোষ সয়। We should chant the name in sadhu sangha, at the same time nirjana. Now this is a contradiction. In the first line, Haridas Thakur says we should chant the name in sadhu sangha. So what he is saying basically is that by associating with Namparayan sadhus who have positive taste for the holy name, who have tangible taste for the holy name, who have progressed beyond the sound of the name, they are realizing the form, the qualities, the leelas in the name. That kind of association is the only association which will help us progress in the name. Yes. There is no harm like that, but the taste for the name is contagious. So if you chant, if one associates with those who have taste, advanced taste in the Naam, Prabhupada says in Nectar of Instruction that we will be able to advance only to that extent of our association. So if your association is 50%, we will only be able to advance up to 50% in Naam. If we want to advance further, we have to seek out 100% association or 80% Naam Ruchi, Naam Rupa Guna Leela. Somebody who is Sampadyate Samgudyate Rupa Shravanam Yogyata Bhavati. Jiva Goswami says in the Krama Sandarbha that Rupa Shravane Yogyata Bhavati, the qualification to remember the form while chanting, that comes after many years of chanting. When the name becomes fixed in the heart, then Guna Shravane Yogyata Bhavati, then Leela Shravane Yogyata. So that even in association there is a quantity and quality. Like in Naam also there is quantity and quality. Even in association there is quantity and quality. In Jaiva Dharma, Brajnath, and they met only one or two Babajis. They did not associate with a huge number of devotees, but their association was directly with Mahabhagavat. one who knows the full tattva of Naam. So that is why it is a nirjane loya naam ei doshishyoy. If we chant, always we chant with too many devotees, then sometimes we may not understand our own faults, our own limitations. That is why in Gaudiya Math traditionally, the Naam Japa has always to be done alone. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he have the morning program, and then he used to leave the brahmacharis for doing japa. Some brahmacharis would go outside for bhiksha, then come back and do their japa. But they were all left to do their japa separately, to develop an individual personal relationship with the name. Nirjane, this word Nirjane Laya Naam is used. Now Nirjan, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati has warned us against Nirjan Bhajan. दुष्टमान तुम्हें किसेर वैष्णव
দুষ্টমান তুমি কিসের বৈষ্ণব তুমি কিসের বৈষ্ণব
প্রতিষ্ঠারো তরে
প্রতিষ্ঠায় করে
নির্জনের ঘরে তব হরিনাম কেবল কইত cheating. Your Harinam is keval cheating. Because to name, fame and reputation you are going alone and nirjan and chanting. But this is not that kind of nirjan. Here it is said you associate sadhu sangha by sitting with the sadhus, hearing the Nama Mahima, Nam Katha from the sadhus, from the Nam Parayan sadhus, your sense gratificatory desires will diminish, they will reduce. The only way to curb our sense desires is pure sound vibration. By pure sound vibration, even I am giving katha, but the one who is speaking katha is also hearing. So hearing is done by everybody. It is helping everybody. It is purifying everybody. In fact, at one point of time it comes that the devotee feels like a fish out of water even without katha. When Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati did this leela of falling a little sick, in his last stages he left this world 10 years before. He ended his leela, he told his disciples, I am leaving 10 years before. Because you are all fighting in my presence. So why should I stay? So when he fell, he did this leela, the doctor came and told Prabhupada, you should not speak Harikatha. Otherwise, and his disciples prohibiting him. No Gurudev, no Prabhupada, don't speak Katha. Anybody comes. And he laughed and said, you all disciples, you are not my disciples. You are my enemies. Because you are stopping me from Harikatha. Because Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, we are unfortunate we didn't have his darshan. But in many cases in his leelas, when he used to speak Harikatha, tears would start flowing from his eyes, his face would become full with ecstasy, red. Once on Radhashtami, he was speaking Radha Rani's glories. His throat choked up. He could not speak anymore. Once with O.B.L. Kapoor, he came from his room and he started speaking. And he was speaking Vraj Leela. His throat got choked up. Then he could no longer speak. He went into his room and he closed the doors. So that kind of katha গোলোকের প্রেম ধন
গোলকের প্রেম
হরি নাম সংকীর্তন।
হরিনাম সংকীর্তন।
Even that katha is sankirtan. Actually, it is kirtan. To hear from the pure devotee.
নেতাই আনিল নদিয়ার মাঝে শিবালঙ্গনে বিলাইল প্রতি ঘরে ঘরে। ওরে জীবী নাম ধরো বলে আমার প্রতি জীবের ঘরে ঘরে এই মহামন্ত্র নাম বিলাইল। ও নাম নেতাই আনিল।
So there is no guarantee that even one chants 64 rounds, one will get that taste for the holy name. Bhakti Vinod Thakur writes the Bhashya commentary. He says, "Prathame ek danda eiru নিয়ম করিয়া কোন সাধুর সঙ্গে নির্জন নাম আরম্ভ করিবে।" Prathame, the first one should start chanting with 24 minutes. No, one danda is 48 minutes, I think. No, for 24 minutes. One muruta is 48 minutes. One danda is half of one muruta. There are 60 dandas in one day. 30 murutas. And 8 praharas. So in the beginning one should start the chanting from 24 minutes. And one granthi or 4 rounds. In the association of some sadhu, kona sadhura sange nirjana naam arambha. Nirjana naam. Some devout people say, no, neophyte devotees cannot chant Nirjan Naam. But here Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying that the devotee should start Nirjan Naam right from the beginning. Personally, when I was a brahmachari, I could never get accustomed to those everybody sitting in the hall and chanting japa. Because if you do not hear your naam, you try to chant little loudly, then somebody else feels our chanting is loud, they increase their volume, then their volume is increased, then I can't hear my naam, then I increase my volume, and then the whole hall becomes, full with, nobody can hear anybody else's chanting. In fact, when you complete 16 rounds, actually you have heard somebody else's chanting, not your own chanting in that 16 rounds. मैंने 16 माला किया ना, मैंने नहीं किया, उन्होंने किया और मैंने सुना खाली. I just heard his chanting. And secondly, unless that the devotee sitting in front of us is a Mahabhagvat or Nam Premi, if we sit, then we can inculcate that bhav, that from that bhakti comes from the heart to the heart. It is transmitted, the Nam Ruchi. So sitting in a physical proximity of a pure devotee is also very important, even if you can't hear his chanting. When Haridas Thakur used to chant in the cave, all the villagers used to come outside to hear his chanting. So, hearing the chanting or sitting is important. But if there are too many devotees, then there's too much distraction. We look at everybody's face. When our eyes opens, it's like too much distraction. Like, I give an example, when you fly on a plane, some planes have those TVs everywhere, every chair. So I feel it's very difficult. Wherever you open your eyes, you see some movie playing. You can't get free from Maya. You have to just close your eyes, that's all. So better to go in a cheaper plane where there are no TVs. Like Indigo has no TVs. No. So it's like that. There is too much distraction everywhere. Then it's not distraction. Okay, they are devotees, they are chanting, but still, in fact, Bhakti Vinod Thakur will describe in further how we should cover our body with a kambal. If you don't have any place nirjan, then kambal se chupa lo. At least you will close the sense objects around you. He himself made a soundproof room. भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर का रूम किसने देखा है? गोद्रुम में. In Godrum Dweep on the first floor, he behind his bed there is a small soundproof room where there is no disturbance coming from outside. There is no, and there is a big platform where Gaur Gadadhar were standing actually there. His Ishtadev Gaur Gadadhar, they were standing on that platform and he used to sit down. Now Gaur Gadadhar have been moved down. They are in the altar near his Samadhi. But he used to chant there with Gaur Gadadhar, completely immersed in their Leela. So Nirjan Naam is very important. Always chant with one or two advanced devotees. Tahate kramashaha sadhura bhav देखिया तदनु रूप वर्णे प्रवृत्त हैया उदासीन्य त्याग करिते स्पृहा. When you see an advanced devotee while chanting Nama Sankirtan or while chanting Japa, when you see enthusiasm, when you see someone who is relishing the name, then your laziness for the name slowly decreases. By observing a sadhu, kramashah, gradually, that apathy, that spriha, that propensity to neglect the name goes away. Krame krame Krishna name chitta hai sthira nirantar naam rase hayat adhira. Somebody is there? No. That Mataji was supposed to come, but she will ring the bell, I think. Okay. तो क्रमे क्रमे कृष्ण नामे चित्त होय स्थिर. Actually, the biggest problem is even to come to this stage, devotees take decades. Gradually, the mind becomes steady in Krishna Naam. Naam Abhas is of two kinds, Shraddha Namabhas and Pratibimba Namabhas. The Shraddha Namabhas and Ashraddha Namabhas. And then Ashraddha Namabhas is a Pratibimba Namabhas. So, I mean, Namabhas is something which starts in the beginning. When we start chanting, Namabhas is started. Because when we have faith, we will start chanting. So that is Shraddha Namabhas. Those who don't have faith and they chant like people on the street, they say, Hare Krishna wala aaya hai, ye wo, something like that. That is Ashraddha Namabhas. And Mayavadis, they chant, with the desire to become one with Krishna, that is Pratibimba Namabhas. So Shraddha Namabhas can take you up to liberation, mukti. Or Harinam Chintamani says sometimes Shraddha Namabhas can take you up to Vaikunta also. But Shraddha Namabhas can never take you up into the Leela.
Shraddha, when you said Chitta becomes calm, so these apradhas, these namaprads cause all obstacles, so when Chitta becomes calm,
Yes.
then
Actually, after Nama Bhas, then Nama Aprad come. Nama Aprad is not the first, it is the second stage. After Nama Bhas, when we start chanting, then we have to consider the 10 offenses. And then when the Aprad starts becoming less, when the Nama Aprad start decreasing, then our Chitta becomes Sthir.
that chanting can be considered as
That chanting is higher than Namabhas actually. We are crossing the stage. We are reaching Nishtha. Anartha Nivrutti is being crossed. And when we reach Nishtha, then our Chitta big start. Even with the dawn of Nishtha, even if we start having a glimpse of Nishtha, even Nishtha is of different types. Anishtita Bhakti, Nishtita Bhakti according to Madhurya Kadambini. So, Kleshagni and Shubhada. We enter the stage of Shubhada. In Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, there are 6 stages described. There are different, in different scriptures, that levels are differently described. So, and the symptom that we have crossed the stage of Pramad is that every second our mind will tell us, come on, chant the name, chant the name, chant the name. Nirantara naam rase hai to adhir. Adhir means anxious. The mind will become anxious. Oh, come on, do Sankirtan. Why are you wasting your time? You have done Sankirtan in the morning. That is not enough. You have to do Sankirtan in the evening. That mind is always eager to relish the taste. Anybody has this experience? We should all strive for this stage. Nirantara naam rase hai to adhir. That is what Gita says, when the mind becomes our friend. That is the beginning of our goal. Because then the mind cannot take us on the wrong path. When the mind gets the taste of the name. So Anartha Nivrutti is the most difficult part to cross. But because of the Nam Aparadh, the Anartha Nivrutti becomes very, very long. Very long stage. Ghanatarala, Vyud Vikalpa, Taranga Rangini. All these anarthas are there described in Madhurya Kadambini. Very difficult to cross all of them. But all these things are the name is like the sun. When the name arises in our heart, when we get taste for the name, all the anarthas are the andhakar. They are like the darkness. They are automatically gone. Tulsi rasannikote Krishna Leela sthane Sadhu sannidhane basi Satvato vina. Beautiful. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he writes, Tulsi rason nikote. You should chant the Naam near Tulsi. That also gives us taste, because even if we mechanically chant the name in front of Tulsi, Tulsi Maharani being a pure devotee, she is hearing our name and she feels compassion on us, she feels pity on us, she will grant some taste. Because at least we are making her hear the name, even if the name is mechanical.
Tulsi Maharani, Maharani, Maharani. Tulsi দেবী তুমি সত্যবতাই নমো 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 নমো।
Mahaprabhu always had Tulsi in front of him. While chanting the Naam, even while speaking the Katha, everything, Tulsi should always be in front of us.
হে তুলসী দেবী তুমি প্রিয়সী।
And then one should sit down in a Krishna Leela Sthan for chanting the Naam. Radha Kund is the best place. Because Radha Kund's dust is impregnated by the beautiful lotus feet of the Manjaris.
মঞ্জরি মঞ্জরি মঞ্জরি।
The Sakhis. And Radha and Krishna themselves, they wander in these 8 kunjas. So when we chant the Naam here in a Krishna Leela Sthan, Krishna is hearing that name. Radharani is hearing that name. If you chant the name elsewhere, it's a struggle. After I came to Radha Kund, I feel the chanting is effortless. There is something very special about Radha Kund.
লাইটিং
Huh? I'm coming back either on 4th or on 8th. I'll let you know. Sorry. Yes. Sorry. And the third is Sadhura Sannidhane. The third is near Tulsi in the Dham and in association with the sadhus. पूर्वे साधु गण जेई विधाने भजनानंद भोग करिया छिलेन ई विधान एक दंड होइते दुई दंड क्रमश 4 दंड क्रमश लक्ष एवं अवशेषे 3 लक्ष नाम स्मरण वृद्ध स्वभावत हय पड़े. Beautiful. This commentary of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is giving us the goal of 3 lakh names.
3 lakh names, 164 or 60.
192 rounds. He's saying that the real sadhu's vidhan is bhajanananda. To realize the namananda and the bhajanananda, one should start with 24 minutes, then do to 48 minutes, then come to 96 minutes, then 1 lakh names, 100,000 names. And then gradually, when the mind becomes completely attached to the name, $3 lakhs. The last 4 years of his Leela, Bhaktivinoda Thakur did 3 lakhs. In Bhakti Kuti. He was not meeting anybody. In the evening, he used to. Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj was serving. Bolo Shri Harinam Chintamani ki jai. Haridas Thakur ki.
আজ হরিনাম
Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki.
জয় আজ হরি কথা কি জয়
Any question?
আজ আনন্দ কি জয়
Maharaj, for 64 rounds, we take 8 hours to chant.
By practice, you can chant 1 round in 5.5 minutes maximum, fastest. In that case, you can chant 16 rounds in 1 hour 40 minutes. Maximum 1.5 hour, not below that. In that case, 64 rounds will take you 6.5 hours. 8, but if you want to, some devotees take a longer time, pronunciation. 8 hours. That is the thing. The acharyas chant at a faster speed. So they are completing 64 rounds in 6 hours. So 6 3 is 18. And then they get 6 hours. Haridas Thakur also was chanting 64 rounds in 18 hours. Around 18, 19. In fact, when his Leela became towards the end, he couldn't complete also. In 18 hours, he told Lord that I cannot. Every Grihastha, every Brahmachari, every Sannyasi should plan that at least in the end stages of his life, when you cannot do anything else. First, you have to become fixed in 1 lakh.
1 lakh means 64 rounds.
1 lakh names. If you become fixed in 1 lakh for 5 or 10 years, then maybe in a few years, with taste, not just mechanically 1 lakh, with taste, then.
I have tried 64 rounds. Once I chanted means if you will not chant, मतलब मन भी नहीं लगता है, फिर भी उसमें कुछ 64 rounds करना एक purity आती है.
Yes, yes. Even if you chant mechanically, the Naam will give you lot of Shakti, lot of potency.
और अगर मन से और नाम ले तो बाप रे.
Yes. Hmm. 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 It doesn't matter if you chant while sitting or walking. Gauranga Mahaprabhu himself used to walk and do japa also sometimes. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati also used to do. Swami Maharaj also, Prabhupada also used to do it. So walking doesn't mean it is inattentive. But we can focus on the name even while walking. That's not a problem. So those who are chanting in during the parikrama, if they are chanting with attentiveness, then it is fine. If one is inattentive, one can be inattentive even while sitting. Japa walk can be fine, but there should be no talk. Japa walk and talk. If you talking, then you can't do japa. It will disturb. Yes. That is a Harikatha walk, not a japa walk. And then japa is done when there's nobody is talking, then you complete 1 round. So.
And maybe 2000 or 1999 Maharaj, we used to walk and chant. But one in one room. Door closed and chanting. It was like very attentive chanting. Now that taste is gone. Means only hearing Harinam. That way I have chanted.
You can keep on doing parikrama of Radha Kund, Sham Kund until you finish your rounds.
But there
With lot of
bit difficult to hear.
crowded.
Someone is walking from there, someone is walking from there. A cow is coming, a monkey is coming.
And Govardhan Parikrama, people are doing daily, just coming to almost 6 hours.
Yes.
So, is that more?
They can do 1 lakh name, 1 lakh names with one Govardhan Parikrama. No disturbance.
You were saying that every other process is Harinam chanting is more higher. So, what about this Govardhan Parikrama?
That's what, even that Parikrama needs to be combined with the name. हाँ, it is, you get Vraj, Dhul, Vraj Raj, Giriraj association, but all processes have to be accompanied with the name. Then any faults, mantratas tantratas chidram desh kalhar vastuta sarvam karoti nischidram anusanki. Any faults, any offenses we do, they are removed by chanting the name. That is why in Jagannath Puri, our ashram, we worship the Nam Shilas. We have carved the name on stone, Shila. Below the deities they are kept. So if you do any aparad, the 64 seva aparad for the deities are removed by serving the Nam Shilas.
But the Shila is, special Shila, just any stone.
You can take any auspicious stone from the dham and you can carve the name on that. Because you cannot carve the name on Shaligram, it will be offense. You can write the name on Shaligram with Chandan, or you can carve, you can write on Giriraj Shila.
We can even write on paper or any some photo like that also we can worship.
Yes.
In the Namabash,
Hmm.
can one experience some kind of baths, like aesthetic baths and all, manifesting in someone is being in Namabash.
Ashta Sattvic Vikar, the Bhav, comes on the stage of Sthai Rati. Which is Anubhav, Vibhav, Vyabhichari, Alamban, Uddipan. I am making a chart of it from the Naam. But there can be an abhas of the Ashta Sattvic Vikar. Shadow, like the throat can get choked up or tears can flow. But it's kind of a glimpse, shadow of that.
But the shadow is not the real thing. It's not the real thing, it's just what we call
Yeah. It's actually a glimpse given by the Naam to us so that we get attracted to the Naam.
you have achieved something.
Yeah. Like fisherman attracts the fish with the bait.
Then it will go away after some time. Shadow.
Yeah, when you start realizing the real thing, then obviously the glimpses will become a part of it, or they may go away, or the bhav will keep on increasing.
Maharaj, what about these monkeys and animals in Dham? This is the last life.
If they die here,
And then they will die here only where they will go. They will go here only.
if some truck takes them outside the dham,
Monkeys are taking bath in Radhakund, sitting nicely. Being
in fact, they are more luckier than human beings, because human beings sometimes when they about to die, they go to hospital.
My mother yesterday only I called her, she was not feeling well. She told me, if I will not feel well now, I will take a train and come and die here. I don't want to die in a hospital.
Yes. It is only possible by Radharani's mercy, sanction. Even those who stay in Radhakund, there is no guarantee that we will die here.
Now one Mataji is from Vrindavan. She stayed for 15 years in Vrindavan. And for one day she was teacher. One day for seminar, some school seminar, she was called in Andhra Pradesh. She went by train and there she got a
Heart attack.
She died.
So there's many people not living in the Dham coming to die here. And those who are living here, they go somewhere else and die.
Yeah.
I have seen this in Ramanai so many years in the Dham. So what is the result?
Depends on our sincerity. If we have that desire if we pray to Krishna that इतना तो करना स्वामी जब प्राण तन से निकले. At least, oh my dear Lord, do at least this one thing. Keep me in your dham. Then maybe he'll keep. There is still no guarantee. We have to find some hospitals in the Dham.
There are hospitals in Vrindavan, nine hospitals.
हाँ?
वृंदावन में हॉस्पिटल है,
हाँ.
अच्छे हॉस्पिटल। मथुरा में नहीं है, वृंदावन में।
तो पहले से डिसाइड कर लेने का, कुछ भी हुआ तो जितना कुछ करना है वहाँ होगा, उसके बाद कहीं नहीं होगा. Sometimes even gurus, I have seen their disciples take them outside the dham to best hospitals, to best doctors who come to Mauritius, Malaysia or somewhere, Europe, and
Some of them, they are leaving their body out.
mm,
So much Krishna's.
but at least by staying in the dham, doing bhajan, even if we die outside the dham, somehow the Lord will bring our soul back to the dham. Of course, dying in the dham is guarantee, 100% guarantee. Dying outside, there is no guarantee. This being the last life.